Vybz Kartel, lifestyle, music career, and net worth. Vybz Kartel, born Adidja Azim Palmer on January 7, 1976, in Kingston, Jamaica, is one of the most influential and controversial figures in dancehall music. Known for his lyrical prowess, distinctive voice, and ability to blend multiple musical styles, Kartel has left a significant mark on the global music scene despite his legal troubles. Music career. Vybz Kartel's music career began in the early 1990s under the stage name Adi Banton before rebranding as Vybz Kartel. He gained recognition after collaborating with Bounty Killer and joining his collective, The Alliance. His breakthrough came in the early 2000s with hits like Tattoo and Up 2D Time. Kartel became famous for his innovative wordplay, controversial themes, and provocative lyrics, often addressing social issues, relationships, and street life. His influence on dancehall expanded globally with chart-topping singles such as Ramping Shop, featuring Spice, Clarks, featuring Popcaan and Gaza Slim, and Summertime. Throughout his career, Kartel has released numerous albums, including King of the Dancehall, 2016, and To Tanisha, 2020. Despite being incarcerated since 2011, he has continued to release music from prison, with projects like Born Fi Dis, 2021, keeping him relevant in the dancehall scene. Kartel's ability to influence emerging artists has been significant, mentoring talents like Popcaan, Tommy Lee Sparta, and Gaza Slim. His unique sound and creativity have made him a legend in the dancehall genre. Vybz Kartel's lifestyle has often reflected the duality of fame and controversy. Before his incarceration, he was known for his flamboyant personality, love for luxury, and his controversial decision to bleach his skin, which he openly addressed in songs like Cake Soap. His lavish lifestyle included designer clothing, custom jewelry, and high-profile public appearances. Kartel's association with the Gaza Empire, a collective he founded, further solidified his image as a dominant figure in Jamaican dancehall. Despite his legal troubles, Kartel remains influential, with his music continuing to chart globally. His personal life, including his relationship with Tanisha Shorty Johnson, has been widely publicized. They share 3 children, and Tanisha has been instrumental in managing his music under her label, Short Boss Music. Legal issues and incarceration. In 2011, Kartel was arrested and later convicted for the murder of Clive "Lizard" Williams, a case that shook the dancehall industry. He was sentenced to life imprisonment in 2014, with the possibility of parole after 35 years. However, despite being behind bars, Kartel has continued to release music and maintain his influence in the industry. His legal battles continue, with efforts to appeal his conviction making headlines over the years. Many of his supporters believe his conviction was influenced by systemic issues in Jamaica's justice system. As of 2024, Vybz Kartel's net worth is estimated to be around $3 million. His wealth primarily comes from his extensive music catalog, royalties, and the success of albums and singles released even during his incarceration. Kartel also earns revenue from his music label, Adidja Azim Records, and collaborations with various artists. Legacy and influence. Vybz Kartel's influence on dancehall music is unparalleled. He redefined the genre with his innovative sound, bold lyrics, and trend-setting fashion choices. His ability to remain musically relevant despite legal troubles speaks volumes about his impact on the industry. Kartel's legacy extends beyond his music. He has inspired a new generation of dancehall artists and remains a cultural icon in Jamaica and beyond. While his legal troubles have clouded his career, his contributions to dancehall music remain undeniable, cementing his place as one of the greatest dancehall artists of all time.